Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have live swatches on the Baby Girl Lacquer anniversary nail polishes. Nene from Baby Girl Lacquer sent me her anniversary nail polish trio that will be releasing in the month of August. And today I will show you live swatches on all of these polishes on my natural nails. And I will also have, or actually I already have, an ongoing giveaway on my Instagram account where you can win a set of these nail polishes, and not only you but also your bestie can win one of them. So definitely make sure that you check out that post on my Instagram account, and if you are interested in trying out her polishes and winning this set, then definitely follow the rules in that post. So thank you so much, Nene, for sending me your polishes. A big congratulations on your 7th year anniversary, and I really enjoyed these nail polishes. With the acrylics, I do have to say that you may have to play a little bit around to fish out the larger glitter pieces, but once you place them on the nail, they sit put and the coverage is really good. You will see that in my live swatch portion of this video. So it really just depends on if you prefer these kind of polishes or not. I really enjoy them. However, Celebrate is definitely my favorite out of the three, but you will see in the live swatch application how they all apply. I do hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, I will jump into the swatch portion of my review. If you do have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section, but I am in general really happy with all three of these polishes. As I said, the glitter placement might be a little difficult, but it's not impossible, so it really just comes to your preference. So thank you so much guys for being here today. Keep watching the swatch portion, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you, bye bye.